discuss about the nature of image that formed by the convex lens at different position of objects. Before discussing the different position, let's see first. Suppose it is principal axis, it is convex lens, it is first focus, it is first center of curvature, and here suppose infinity, it is second focus or main focus, and it is second center of curvature, and normally both are same, radius of curvature are same because the radius is same. Okay, and here suppose it is infinity. First position when object is kept at infinity. This is suppose first position of object. In this case, image is formed at focus. So this is the first position of image. It is point size, real, inverted, and its magnification is nearly 0. Second position of object is beyond C1, or you can say between C1 and infinity. So you make it anywhere. Suppose it is the second position of object. So image will shift it and lies in between F2 and C2. This is the position of image, second position of image, that is I2. It is smaller, real, inverted, and here its magnification is less than -1 because the image is real, so magnification is negative. Third position of object is C1. It is O3. See here, object is coming towards lens stepwise, and here image will formed at C2. So this is I3. It is equal to object, real, inverted, and its magnification -1. Because as you know, magnification is height of image upon height of object. So here height of image is equal to height of object, so it is -1. Next position of object between C1 and F1. It is O4. So image will form beyond C2. Beyond C2. Suppose here it is I4. It is greater than object, or bigger than object, or magnified, real, inverted, and its magnification is greater than -1. Fifth position, when object is at F1, first focus, then image is formed at infinity. Infinity. It is much greater, or much bigger than object, real, inverted, and its magnification is very greater than, or you can put double greater than sign, -1. And last and very important position, when object is kept between optical center and first focus, O6. And now image reached up to infinity. Beyond infinity there is no space, so image will move and it form here anywhere towards object. Anywhere towards object. It is I6. It is virtual. It is erect, greater than object, and its magnification is greater than +1. And due to this special position, a convex lens may used as magnifying glass. If we take magnifying glass, that is the convex lens, and if an object is kept very close to the convex lens, close means when it lies in between optical center and focus, then obtained image is erect and magnified, सीधी और बड़ी बनेगी, इसीलिए इस लेंस को हम मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास के रूप में भी यूज करते हैं. दिस पोजीशन में यूज्ड बाय वॉच रिपेयर्स, घड़ी बनाने वाले होते हैं, आपने देखा होगा. So used by watch repairers, jewelers also use a magnifying glass, which is a convex lens. And when jewelry lies in between f1 and O optical center, then its magnified and erect image is formed. So let's see one by one. At infinity, principal axis, optical center, first focus, first center of curvature, second focus, second center of curvature. And if object is at infinity, then it may suppose that incident rays may parallel to principal axis also. And as you know, when light is coming parallel to the principal axis, then after refraction by convex lens, they passes through second focus or main focus. So image is formed at f2, real inverted point size मतलब height of image is nearly 0, and magnification, as you know, for the lens it is V by U or HI by HO. So height of image is 0 upon height of object, that is nearly 0. Clear? Second position, when object is kept between C1 and infinity. Between C1 and infinity. So where image will go? It will go and lies between F2 and C2. Suppose here AB, height HO, and it is positive. Suppose here it is C1, it is F1. One incident ray coming directly and incident at the optical center, then as you know, it passed without any deviation. Other incident ray coming parallel to the principal axis, then as you know, after refraction, it passes through second focus and they meet here. Here it is C2. This is image A dash, B dash, and its height HI, and it is negative by sign convention because we are moving downward from the principal axis. So image is formed between F2 and C2. It is real, inverted, smaller than object, and its magnification, see here, HI by HO, and HI is negative and less. Negative and less. HO is positive. Since HI is less than HO, numerator is less than denominator, so magnification is less than -1. Third position, when object lies exactly at C1. At C1, so where image will go? Exactly at C2. Convex lens, principal axis, optical center, it is C1. Clear? It is object AB, F1. One incident ray, again incident directly at the optical center, so pass without any deviation. Other coming parallel to principal axis, so after refraction it passes through second focus or main focus and both meet here. So image is formed here exactly at, and this point is C2. It is Hi negative, it is Ho positive. Clear? So image is formed at C2, real, inverted, equal to object, and its magnification, again, as you know, Hi by Ho, and Hi, Ho are same, and Hi is negative, Ho is positive, so it is -1. Fourth position kept between C1 and F1, so image was shifted and reached beyond C2. So fourth, object is kept between C1 and F1. Suppose it is F1, it is C1, so object is kept here, AB, optical center. One light coming from it incident directly at the optical center, so pass without any deviation, as you know. Other coming parallel to principal axis, so after refraction passes through second focus. Yes, it is second focus. Suppose it is second center of curvature, so image is formed here. So this is image A dash B dash, it is Hi. In this case, image is formed beyond C2, real, inverted, greater than object, and its magnification is greater than -1 because Hi is greater than Ho. Clear? Fifth position, when object is kept exactly at F1, at first focus, convex lens, principal axis, optical center, first focus, first center of curvature, object is kept at F1. So where image will go? At infinity. One incident directly at the optical center, so pass without any deviation. Other coming parallel to the principal axis, so after refraction it passes through focus. Remember it, in this case both refracted ray should be parallel. So it suppose that image is formed at infinity. Normally both parallel rays never intersect, but here it suppose that they will meet at infinity. So image is formed at infinity, real, inverted, much greater than object, much greater than object. So its magnification is double greater than -1. Much greater than, sorry, it's supposed to be very greater than -1. Still it is real. And last case, when object is kept between first focus and center of curvature, optical center, and F1 and O. It is convex lens, principal axis, optical center, first focus, first center of curvature, object is kept here between first focus and optical center. One incident directly at the optical center, so it passed without any deviation. Other coming parallel to principal axis, so after diffraction it will passes through second focus. In this case both refracted rays should be diverged, so it is F2, and if we increase both refracted ray along reverse direction, so they will appear to meet at a certain point towards object. So this is image, it is virtual image, so it is represented by dotted line A dash, D dash, and it is HI. So image is formed towards object. It is virtual, erect, greater than object, and magnification, as you know, HI by HO. HI is positive and HO is also positive, and HI is greater than HO, so magnification is greater than +1. And this special position is used by watch repairers and jewelers to see the erect and magnified image of the object. Thank you.